What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. You are looking at some live images of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic in its full glory. This is very exciting because this time you can clearly see that there is a rotating bezel on the watch, which means this year we are getting the classic version of the Galaxy Watch. Samsung has been releasing these classic versions every alternate year. Last year we had the Galaxy Watch Ultra, previous to that year we had Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, before that we had Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and a year before that Samsung released the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So this has been the sequence, and this year we are getting the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and I don't think we will be getting the Galaxy Watch Ultra 8. So this time around it may be Galaxy Watch 8 regular and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. You can see these images. We have got the Galaxy Watch Ultra design elements there. We have got the Galaxy Watch Ultra frame, which is a base on which we have got this rotating bezel. And the frame doesn't look exactly like the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It has got this more rounded elements. The whole design language is reminiscent of the Galaxy Gear Sport, which was released long ago, but without those sharp edges. We have got more rounded edges on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and it retains 3-button design. You've got the home button, back button, as well as the activity button. And you can see the speaker on this image. And this watch you're looking at is the stainless steel color. And this stainless steel color complements the design language here. It is more of a retro looking design, very nostalgic and looks pretty cool. Of course, this is completely subjective. Love it or hate it, this time we have got the Classic with a typical classic look. And you can also see the strap here. It has got this leather finish. It may be a leather strap or it may be a rubber strap with leather finish. We do not really know at the moment. But since it's a classic premium version, we may get the leather variant of the watch. And this time the watch may come with just one size, which is going to be 46 or 47 mm, or Samsung may release it in two versions as usual with 42 mm and 46 mm. Let's wait and see that. The last year's Galaxy Watch Ultra was released in only one version, but usually we see two different sizes for the Galaxy Watch Classic series, which was similar to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which was also released in one single size, but usually we get two sizes for the Galaxy Watch Classics. So let's hope that the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic also comes in two different sizes. That is going to be fantastic. And another important thing to notice here is the strap connector or the lug pin here. Looks like it's a different mechanism again, something similar to what we have seen in the past, but not the last year's model. So the last year's straps may not work on these classic watches. So that is something to note here. Now coming to few other leaks, Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to get the 10-watt charging. So it doesn't look like there is any improvements as far as the charging speeds are concerned. It is actually disappointing to see just 10-watt fast charging. Samsung could have offered faster charging, maybe 15-watt would have been really great on these Galaxy watches. It would have reduced the 2-hour charging time to maybe 1.5 hours, or at least 1 hour would have been really fantastic. But we may have to stick with the same old 10-watt fast charger. And again, there is no news on the reverse wireless charging, whether we are going to get this on the Galaxy Watch Classic, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic or not. With the last year's models, Samsung removed the reverse wireless charging feature because of the all-new bioactive sensor. That was kind of a mistake, I would say. I hope this time they put the reverse wireless charging back, because whenever we are traveling, we may not want to pull out our charger to connect it. It would be really easy to reverse wireless charge the watch by keeping it on the back of the phone. Next, as far as the battery longevity is concerned, Samsung may bring a brand new feature similar to what we have on the Galaxy phones, that is the adaptive charging on the watch. Apparently Google is working on this feature, the adaptive charging for the Wear OS devices. So Samsung might also introduce this. So whenever we charge the watch overnight, it straight away reaches 100% with the current operating system. With this new feature on the One UI Watch 8, if we enable adaptive charging, the charging will stop at around 80% when you charge the watch overnight, and then it goes to 100% just before you wake up. This is something which we already have on the Galaxy phones, and this feature is going to make your battery last longer, which is brilliant. And as far as the rest of the hardware is concerned, the Galaxy Watch 8 series may retain the same hardwares from the last year. We might have similar bioactive sensor, 3nm Exynos W1000 processor, 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the battery size may be somewhere around 590 mAh, similar to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, 2GB of RAM, 32 GB or maybe an option of 64 GB internal storage with IP68 dust and water resistance. These specs may remain same and we may get a sapphire crystal glass this time as well. We are not sure about that. Let's wait and see. Now this is something we know so far about the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. We are also expecting some new features on One UI 8 watch. I will keep you guys posted about everything that is happening with this watch. As soon as it gets launched, I will help you decide which version of the watch you should be buying, and all the information that you need, comparison videos, everything will be posted on the channel. So be sure to subscribe and do not forget to hit the like button for this video. I would really appreciate that. That's about it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye bye.